If you're like me and you kind of save a lot of your purchases for Amazon Prime Day because you know there's going to be good discounts, this is a really useful tool that I found. I've probably gone through 2 or 3 Prime Days with it already, and it's saved me countless money on the tech products that I buy. And so I kind of want to share this little trick with you. There's also an extension you can install that's a little more useful, so I'll walk you through how to do that. But for example, this is something that I want to buy for DaVinci Resolve, which is the editing software I use. It's basically a speed editor that makes you a little bit quicker. I can take a look here. If we click on the Blackmagic, the graph will show here. So it shows 2 things, right? It shows the third-party new and third-party used. This is sold by Blackmagic, so it's not going to be sold specifically by Amazon. But I can see the current price is $395 and the lowest ever is $295, about $100 savings. And if you wanted to buy it used, $237, so significantly more. But you can see the kind of price history here. Since last December, it's actually stayed at $395. So if we look back like the past 3 months, we can see that it dropped to $379 around the beginning of July. And so this actually would have been a nice time for me to buy it, get like 20 bucks savings, but I missed that. And so what I've found recently is what I want to show you, an extension. So if I go to the Blackmagic Speed Editor right here, you can click on the same product. And now this extension that I've added, it's called the Camelizer. Notice this site that we were at is called Camel. And now if I click on this actual link here, it'll show me that same graph. It actually overlays the third-party used too. And then what I can do here is I can actually set a desired price. So I saw it was $295 at the cheapest. So this will notify me when it drops below $300. Whether that's going to happen next week when Prime Day is here, or if that happens in the future. This is an expensive product, so I'm fine waiting for whenever it drops to that price. But then I can click Save Price Watches. And you'll notice here I am logged in as well. So you can log into this extension. There's your accounts and everything here. And I would highly recommend creating an account with it if you do want to use it. Just makes it better, and it can notify you via email as well then. And then hit Save Price Watches. This is a Prime Day note I have here. And so these are a lot of things I'm going to review in different quarters. Some that I have, some that I don't. And so the ones that I don't have, I will just enter into this tracker here. Let me go to my cart, for example. Like this TT Artisans camera here. I'm gonna buy this as a gift for a friend for his birthday. His birthday isn't for a little while. So I'm just gonna go in now and go to the Camelizer. We can see that looks like almost a month ago it dropped to below 50 for used. And then last September, it dropped to about 55 for the third-party new. So let's put a price of 55 here. And then I can put maybe 50 for used. And then I'll do Save Price Watches. And now, boom, that's it. It'll notify me. Hopefully this is a useful tool for you for next week or for future Prime Days that are coming, but I've been using it, like I said, for the past 1.5 years, and I've been really happy with it, and just kind of wanted to share this information with you guys so you can get the best deals on products on Amazon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.